Let's fire it up. See if we got good control of our power steering issue. Hopefully gone. Just crawl through it like a baby. Like a baby through the crib. Oh, just sound lovely, don't you? Woo! We got catastrophic failure already, buddy. Hey, Keith! Hey! Damn it! Turn that on!
Tell you what, we thought it was going to be cool, but she is blistering.
Oh, back tires dropped through a little pocket.
This does not look familiar at all. This is weird. Oh yeah, I know where we are now. We're continuing on. This is where the big ruts are. Been here many times.
Probably made it look easy. And she's thick through here. But she's break her up for me, Nosbus. I appreciate it, buddy. I really do.
Holy shit, this is the hard way to go.
Oh, I think I started too early. Piece of cake. Woohoo!
That was cool. I didn't get that shot,
I only
but that
got a
was
fucking
cool.
glimpse of it, probably.
Here, Chris, you should move these up and out, eh?
Yeah, we should
Move
move
ahead a little bit, Mike.
over here even.
Mud everywhere.
The logo's all messed up.
All right, pull
That
her
was
up there,
great.
fella.
Yeah, pull him out of the way, guys.
Let him through.
He's got to come through that.
Broke through with one tire, eh?
It's a pretty good rut there.
Oh, that thing works awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it does. Wait till you get your tires tomorrow or Monday.
Oh, you see those babies?
Yeah, wait till
He
you get
posted
those.
them up there. I didn't see them last night. I saw them this morning. I was like, you know, them sons of bitches.
Oh, that's
They
neat.
should have snuck over and installed them for me without me knowing.
Wouldn't that have been a sweet thing?
Well, I think I would have probably shit my pants when I showed up to weights this
Oh,
morning.
fuck, I guess so.
Especially for this place.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you're rocking the right tire here, buddy.
Oh! That does not sound good.
Something.
Or maybe just his old Visco.
Well, you know, the old Visco maybe, yeah. It's like
Sometimes she
clanking off
makes
itself.
lovely noises.
Yeah, they do. Because he's jamming one hard in.
Yeah.
And the Visco's
But no, it's pretty constant. Pretty constant.
That Polaris side by side made in the summertime.
That don't sound good, does it?
No.
Ooh, that don't sound. It looks like a Visco issue because one tire's spinning.
I know.
She's
Because
causing
they're
it,
both
eh?
spinning. They're both spinning. Oh,
Just
oh.
going into the goods.
Oh, back up, back up.
He's got some noise.
Woo! Holy shit.
He's got her.
Attaboy, Chuck. Right on, buddy.
I guess we should move my bike
I'll
ahead.
just move the bike. Give me a second.
Something cooking.
They're both spinning. They're both spinning.
Yeah.
Sounded like Visco at first, but fuck it. Woo!
Joel's right in there.
Yeah, you're a fucking one wheel with
Oh, it's
three
great.
wheels in the air, huh?
Come on through there, Tommy.
He's gonna do the same thing. If he hits it wide open, he...
Richard's in. Come on, man. You got him, boy.
Tommy just gotta go hand over deckettle here.
Love it.
Fucking wild, man.
Oh, I thought he was going right over.
Nice and slit steady there.
Attaboy, 650 pounding it out.
There she goes. Right on.
Wow. We're into the bad stuff.
Get that grease off the old helmet. Oh, it's
We
fun.
are in the shit.
That was fun, man.
We are in the shit.
Yeah. Good times, boys. Good times. Not sure what's going on with the old DPS there. Anytime she seems to get into a, oh, I don't know, a heavy situation, she cries about it. And probably just sensitive, and I'm thinking a chunk of ice gets in there. You try to steer, it kind of blocks and it ain't doing anything, and it says, hey, check your steer. I think that is the extent of it. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to see here. Ooh. Bottoming out in here, all right.
Oh, yeah. Hey! You want to get hung up on that huge lip at the end? Well, Joel Tongue, they won't make it. I think we'll back up.
She's on it. Holy shit.
You're okay, you have your ice right there.
She don't like you, that big chunk of fucking ice.
Oh, man, that's an iceberg.
That is a big sheet of ice.
Yeah.
Oh, Job's right in it.
You're right there, motherfucker. Pull your bike ahead.
I hate to say it, but she's got to go back.
Backward?
Yeah.
Is the water water deep? Like, can I get in there and push with it?
No, what I would do is probably put you on it, me push, or on the side of it. Stay
Okay,
dry.
I'll stand over there.
Shit, bud, you got that great big hump. That fucking nasty one, eh?
Don't watch it go over.
Are you going forward? Hold on, Joel. Let me down there with you, bud. I don't know which way you're going. All right.
No.
Oh,
There's a
that's
big
some
chunk
shit.
of ice there.
Once you pull your bike up, just throw a winch.
Got to winch forward. Winch
Pull
forward.
this bike up here and then just straight to here. All you gotta do is get over that. Right?
I'm losing my footing.
Just need a little bit of help, that's all.
That's it. Whoa! Fuck! Chrysler, fucking castrated.
Well, you're done having kids, aren't you? Fuck.
Don't have to shit this. I am, I guess.
There it is. Oh, you're right on that big piece now. Nice.
Maybe you should drive this ahead and go instead of winch in, because right here you might belly out too, I don't know.
Oh, you bottomed out there, too. Oh, hold the rope.
We're good, we're good.
There we go.
Wow!
Yeah. It's hard on beadlocks, I think. I'm gonna have all the paint washed off my beadlocks today. Because I mean, you're right into this bank, eh?
Yeah.
And it's just, you can tell, I don't know if we're gonna have paint left on there.
Haha.
But it's just paint, right? Paint it again.
Well, that worked a sweat up in a hurry. Wow. Silverback's made her out, which means I'm not climbing out of there. Nice job, Newman. Oh, you got her.
Whoa, 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 Tommy. Do it again, I didn't get it on film.
That big chunk of ice, I don't like that. Where you just came out, that's going to be an awful ledge.
Look at that.
All right. Nothing to it.
There comes XM Army. On the nose, boys.
Holy shit.
Yeah, that's how it's done right there. Here comes Tommy. He's gonna open it.
Gosh, Bandicoot. We better pull up a little bit, maybe.
Fuck off.
Give her a shot. We're gonna go full throttle, boys.
Just skating on that big chunk of ice, just
That's wild, eh?
That's great.
It's a fucking iceberg.
That was great. Hey, you got a cameraman.
Yeah.
You better be going. Go hard. That girl. There's the ice. Yeah. That's why I said you gotta go.
Look at
Get
that.
up over that fucking thing.
Yeah.
A little bit, you would have been fine, yeah?
That's alright. We're gonna need to get
That's
over
pretty
and help
cool.
out here. I wish I had waders on, but I don't. You
Oh,
know?
yeah, yeah.
It's like that's the thing here. We're gonna need to maybe
Okay.
throw a winch on that one if it's stuck there.
Oh,
Which way do we want
wow.
to try on this one, boys?
It might not hurt to throw a winch on unless it.
Are you going ahead?
No, not wearing weight, Leah. What? I was gonna say, you know, not wearing waders really gets you out of a lot of hard labor today.
Yeah, we did.
Wet.
Look at, we're floating.
As soon as I say it, I got a
Yeah,
wet
put it
foot.
right back, boys.
Wild.
It's like we were never here. That was pretty cool.
Well,
That's some cool stuff there, Newman.
fuck, I guess. I wish I would have brought these today, man. I didn't even think that we need them. Fuck, I'm getting wet feet. It's not good. Stay on the bike.
Woo! Okay. We're shook. Where'd Shook go? Back to the truck? Shook? Sean? I didn't see him. Andrew! Oh, did he? Okay. Out here. I'm ready for a cool down, boys. Like ASAP. Oh yeah, there the boys are. I need a break, man. I'm sweating like a pig. If I don't cool off soon, I'm gonna die. Oh, Jesus. Holy shit, buddy.
What do you got there?
Oh, she's frozen. That's the deep stuff.
It looks like a deep one.
I gotta take 5. I'm sweating like a pig. You boys look hot too. Holy shit. See you on the other side, he says.
You don't grab on fucking ice, bud.
That chunk of ice is starting to
You don't
expose
grab on
itself.
ice.
Jesus.
Fucking Superman dive.
I gotta take 5, man.
Fucking dying to eat here, bud. Fucking warm, eh?
I'm just cooking.
I know.
Hard on the babies.